उष्णा तुम इधर हाउ आर यू
हाय मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ यार तुम कैसे हो
बस चल रहे हैं समीर कैसा है
सो यू नो दैट वी आर टुगेदर
ऑब्वियसली लाइक उष्णा लाइक इंस्टाग्राम पे तुम लोग घर पे पिक्चर्स लगा रहे होते हो समीर के फैंस शिप यू तो लाइक इट्स प्रीटी ऑब्वियस
नहीं यार इट्स nothing serious अभी तो it's too soon we just met a few weeks ago actually
चलो I'm happy for both of you
thanks Haris but are you okay you don't look so good अगर तुम busy नहीं हो तो we can go get a cup of coffee chat
हाँ I'm not busy like coffee sounds great चलो
why not this great cafe let's go
सामने में हूँ
खैर तो what are your plans यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए समर के बाद क्या कह रही हो
यार I think I'm gonna take a gap year because मैं तो तंग आ गई हूँ A levels has got me exhausted I want to explore I want to figure myself out
हाँ यार आई गेट दैट यू नो मेरा खुद प्लान था ब्रेक लेने का बट मेरे अब्बू ने कहा यू नो जस्ट फिनिश योर एजुकेशन इन वन गो तो यू नो ब्रेक के बाद किसका पढ़ने को दिल करता ऑनेस्टली
हाँ किसका दिल करता है पढ़ने का दोबारा
यार उष्णा मुझे बताओ समीर को मसला नहीं होगा हमारे इस हैंग आउट से
I mean I guess but I'm really fascinated by people and their stories and Sameer knows that
So am I one of those many people you're trying to uncover?
I mean I would be lying if I said you aren't
अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ कि does समीर मिस मी या you know वही मेरे लिए इतना इम्पोर्टेंट था
he does miss you but after everything that happened you can't blame him
After what? After he became famous on Instagram?
wait एक second तुम्हें लगता है कि वो famous हो गया इसलिए he stopped being friends with you
Is there something more to it?
I don't know if it's my place to say Haris
Ushna, if there is something I deserve to know, you have to tell me, please.
तुम्हें याद है सलार की फार्म हाउस पार्टी से पहले before Sameer picked you up he forgot his phone at his house when he went to get it back he saw your dad with his mother
कैसे समीर
पता है बिल्कुल तुम्हारी तरह दिखता है Do you see it too?
Of course I do. I mean, बेटा है मेरा. You know, whenever he comes over, it becomes so difficult not to hug him. Embrace him and tell him that he's my son.
Salman, that's wishful thinking. You have a family. पता है मुझे तो आज तक ये समझ में ही नहीं आया कि हम दोनों के दरमियान ये है क्या
इसमें ना समझने वाली कौन सी बात है आयशा समझने के लिए दिमाग की जरूरत होती है दिल की नहीं It's not that hard.
मामा ये क्या कह रहे थे
समीर I didn't know you were still here.
What's going on ये हो क्या रहा है ये बोल क्या रहे थे यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है ये
समीर बेटा I can explain everything.
Don't touch me. You have no right to touch me. Are you my father?
देखो समीर बेटा you need to understand that your mother is the only woman that I ever loved. She's the love of my life बेटा मैंने बेटा मेरी शादी हो चुकी हुई थी उस वक्त बहुत देर हो चुकी हुई थी मैं
बस क्या लेकिन ये मजाक है आपके लिए मेरी अम्मी मेरी माँ मैं इज दिस अ जोक टू यू
Sameer, please try to understand. He has provided for us all these years. हमेशा हर चीज का ख्याल रखा है.
समीर बेटा whenever I could I checked up on you. बेटी हो तुम मेरे.
That's not enough. This whole time growing up, I thought that my father has abandoned me or I was adopted. सारी जिंदगी झूठ थी. Was this a joke? Was this all a lie?
Sameer, that is not true. Beta, that is not true. I always made sure that you lived in the same neighborhood as I do. हमेशा मैं दूर से तुम्हें देखा करता था, तुम्हें खुश देख के खुश हो जाया करता था। तुम्हें क्या लगता है मेरा दिल नहीं करता था कि तुम्हें गले लगाऊं? डरता था बेटा, मैं क्या करता, मजबूर था।
You know what? I can't deal with this right now. I want you out of my house when I come back. I'm gonna go and pick up his son and I'm going to the party.
समीर बेटा,
Damn it!
नहीं, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है यार? समीर इज माय
Your half brother, भाई है वो तुम्हारा. And he never had what you had.
व्हाट?
A complete family, यार.
Ushna, what makes you think I did? My mother would leave me my entire childhood. मेरी फैमिली कभी परफेक्ट नहीं थी, इसमें मेरी क्या गलती है?
Of course not. No, it's not your fault. But you have to understand that Sameer's he can't bear the sight of a brother who his father chose over him, and that's not his fault either.
उष्णा, देखो, trust me when I say this, मेरे पास कुछ नहीं बचा. I have no one.
Haris, if it amounts for anything, I'm your friend. You can call me anytime you want. I'm just a text away. You can count on me.
तेरे आने से, हाँ, तेरे आने से भूल जाता हूँ मैं सब वगैरह वगैरह.
Hey Ishna, I tried calling, but I think you're busy. I got out of the house, by the way, and I'm angry. I'm really angry, and I want to be able to talk to Haris about it, and my mom, but I don't know how to, and I'm breaking. It would be really nice if you could just come and see me. I really need you right now.
खामोशी चीज है, बड़ी बदतमीज है, बिन बोले भी करती है ये सब बयां. दिल के दराज में, छोटी किताबों में लिखा है सब कुछ, पर वो कैसे कहूँ. तेरे आने से थम जाती है ज़मीन, रुक जाता है जहाँ, लड़खड़ाती है जुबान. तेरे आने से, हाँ, तेरे आने से भूल जाता हूँ मैं सब वगैरह 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 वगैरह.
I'm so glad you're here. Your favorite coffee? मुझे नहीं लगता था you'd come to see me.
You have a lovely new place, by the way. कैसी हैं आप?
बेहतर हूँ. And you?
Shattered?
beta. I never wanted you to believe that just by my being in your father's house would make everything okay. Believe me, I was holding everything together like duct tape. It was awful. Living day in, day out, knowing that something is not mine. There were days I'd wake up filled with hate in my body, and I know it wore off on you. Haris, beta, you deserve to have two strong, independent people to look up to, not this. It wore off on you now.
Mom, you leaving the house made me feel like you left me.
Beta, I left the house so that I could work on myself, so that I could improve and become the mother that you deserve.
I know about Aisha Auntie and Samir.
Did your father tell you?
No.
Okay.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ आयशा आंटी से मिलने चला जाऊँ.
मैं भी यही सोच रही हूँ.
Do you blame her?
Partly. But not entirely.
हेलो आंटी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. समीर घर पे?
Haris, so good to see you after such a long time, बेटा. नहीं वो घर पे नहीं है मगर मैं बता दूंगी कि तुम आए थे.
नहीं, आई वुड अप्रिशिएट अगर आप उसको ना बताएं, क्योंकि मैं आपसे बात करने आया हूँ. अगर आपके पास थोड़ा टाइम होगा.
हाँ अंदर आ जाओ.
ओके आंटी. आंटी आपको पता ही होगा कि समीर और मैं डिस्टेंट है आजकल, तो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो कि क्या वो ठीक है.
It's been hard on him. You know, समीर को लगता है कि you have that perfect conventional family. एक father, एक mother.
आंटी आपको तो पता ही होगा कि मेरी फैमिली भी तो परफेक्ट नहीं थी when I was growing up. I had my own share of struggles.
जानती हूँ.
आंटी आई विश कि समीर और मुझे इस तरह ना पता लगता.
बेटा, we were just trying to look after you. Both of you.
Auntie, I don't blame you or Baba. I get it. I feel bad that you had to live this way with the love of your life.
You're a good kid, Haris. Samir will come around. थोड़ा वक्त लगेगा. After all, he's not just your best friend. भाई है तुम्हारा. अच्छा ये बताओ, भूख लगी है ना? Let me make you a snack. I'll be right back.
तू है नाल मेरे, मैं हर साल तेरे, दस लोकां तू लेना की है, तेनू ले चला.
Who's calling you?
No one. But listen, I want you to stop smoking up. ये तुम बस कर दो. It's not good for you.
Ushna, it's only when I'm high that I can feel.
Stop believing that, will you?
ये कौन तुम्हें बार-बार कॉल्स कर रहा है? What? ये कौन सा हारिस तुम्हें कॉल कर रहा है?
Sameer.
I don't even want to know. I'm just blocking him.
Sameer, वो बस अकेला है. I'm being there for him.
Okay, fine, then just be there for him. My fucking father chose him over me. You choose him too.
Yeah, Sameer.
Through all the cigarette smoke produced from your hand, I'll be the best mistake that you make. I'll be an easy heart you can break. I'll be your lifeline. I'll be your lifeline.
हारिस, क्यों तुम यहाँ? क्यों तुमने मुझसे बात करनी है?
क्योंकि तुम्हें मेरी ज़रूरत है हारिस.
मुझे नहीं है किसी की जरूरत.
You seem like you're in a lot of pain.
If you see it, if I see it, how come everyone else cannot see it? उस तक को नहीं पता मुझे कितनी जरूरत है.
I thought तुम्हें किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
Am I normal?
Define normal.
जब इंसान को खुद पे कंट्रोल होता है.
And yet, at the cost of repeating myself, I'm gonna say that you have complete control. Complete control.
नहीं है, नहीं है.